Welcome to RV and Travel Adventures. My name is Jesus Manuel Menegares. I hope you're doing fantastic wherever you're at. In this video, I show you an easy way to attach like a backup camera or any sort of device that you need while going RVing to tow something. So in this instance, I put my Haloview monitor for my backup and observation and side cameras. I put it on my dash in a non-destructive way. I don't have to drill holes. I don't have to hammer a nail. I don't have to do anything that destroys the dash of my Chevy Colorado. So hope you find this information useful. Check out this video and don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. Let's get started. Like many of you, I don't want to destroy my dash, screw some holes in there, use some super glue, mess it up. So I decided to keep it simple. I decided to use this sticky sort of a pad. It's called a sticky pad, and I'll have links in the description. And that only cost 10 bucks. And then I used just some glue to attach the that to that. Again, under that, it's sticky. Actually, both sides were sticky. They were super sticky, and you can move them around. You can take the whole thing off, drop it back down. It comes off. But I just, I didn't like it one way, and I moved it to another way the next camping trip. But it works out pretty good. So again, the bottom part is still sticky. The top part, I put some what do you call talcum powder to make it not sticky. So of course that moves up, down, sideways. So I moved that my little Haloview display, and I'd like to thank the folks from Haloview for sending me this display, and it's a very nice display, and it works with my side marker cameras and also the background observation cameras. So it works pretty good. Again, it's there, and again, you can take that pad off at any time. It's up to you. Thanks for checking out my video. I try to keep it as simple as possible because it is a simple process. So again, thanks for checking out my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I would greatly appreciate it. And don't forget to leave your kind and friendly professional comments below. Abajo. Gracias. From Crowley, Texas. Hope you're doing absolutely fantastic. Gracias. Adios. Bye-bye.